We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 401. DRYTRON versus Dark Magician. This is the new DRYTRON deck with the high rate draw and Hippo Shinnigan. Okay, I don't think you're supposed to draw this one, but here we go. Nova Alpha. Alpha Linkaribo. Alpha Tribute. Who did I tribute again? Oh yeah. Okay, he just scooped right there, okay. I didn't even have full combo, but okay. Part 2. Yeah, he wins this one. He wins this one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What? I thought it was the other deck, or the other Secret Village of the Spellcasters. Okay, so I went Salvation. Okay, use that to draw. There we go. I made a bunch of misplays on this one. Definer, send, add, effect, tribute, special, add Natasha, N10, orange light, and then Phoenix, discard. Oh, he changed skill drain. Come on. He was going to Magician of Dark Illusion and orange light, send Eva, send those two, add those two, destroy, activate. Eva's effect is negated due to skill drain. Dark Magician. Gonna attack, destroy, take damage, draw the imperm. I thought it was gonna be able to imperm one of his effect monsters, but Eternal Soul protected it. Well, I thought I was going to be able to use its effect, but skill drain. Jeez. Once returned, you can target one monster. Okay, yeah, I can't even target anything. Eternal Soul protects Dark Magician. Oh. Oracle, negate. See, I was able to, but I wasn't able to take for Natasha. Unicorn, once again, it skill drain. This is where I screwed up. Jeez. And then I thought I was gonna imperm an imperm column, but summons Magician's Rod, Yeah, this guy's a Dark Magician. Dark Magician. Why can't I target this guy? And yeah, he's Dragooned. What? Let's check the field here. Why couldn't I not? Oh, 3-7 monster. Controls. Magician's Rod. This guy does not even say Dark Magician. Maybe Dark Magician. affected by opponent's card effects. So why was not I able to infinite impermanence this? Oh, it's because its effect's negated, so it's not even. No, it has to negate the effect. Oh, okay. Wow. I get it. Part 3. I win this one. He did not let me finish. He stalled and timed out. It timed out. That was unfortunate. Like, if you're gonna lose, lose. Don't just stall like that. Come on. It's gonna Joel and Lockbird. Dragoon play. And I decided in some back row removal. Super poly off the start. Rod, circle, circle, chain, twin, discard Eva, Eva, banish those two for those two. Take some damage. Getting low on life points. But I chew the alpha, delta alpha effect, reveal, draw. Alpha, Ben 10, add Tasha. Ben 10, add Ida 10. Zeta, tribute, gamma. Add ritual spell. Fafnir. Skill drain, what? And then Dark Magician of Dark Illusion. I'm just gonna light him up with the orange. Idio's DRYTRON. Tribute. Ritual. Gamma. Tribute. Effect. Special. Natasha. Banish. Special. Target. Get over here. Decrease add. IP. I was gonna Boral Sword kill him with his own monster. Boral Sword finish him. Let's duel wins. That was a close one. Does he have a deck? Let's check it out. 401 deck. He does have a deck. Okay, 401. Okay. Exit online. We were at 1122, 1142. Let's check out his deck. 401. Where's that? 401. Here we go. It's a clean 40. Ooh. Summon limit. Oh. Alright. We're at 259. Still at 259. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.